Hello guys, welcome to Choose a Little Teacher. Today, let's talk about food. Okay, let's start.
Gutom or nagugutom in Chinese. For example, gutom ka na in Chinese.
你饿了吗?
Nauuhaw. Nauuhaw in Chinese.
渴
For example, nauuhaw ka ba in Chinese.
你口渴吗?
Tanghalian or lunch in Chinese.
午餐
For example, kumain ka ba ng tanghalian in Chinese.
你吃过午饭了吗?
Almusal or breakfast in Chinese.
早餐
For example, huwag kalimutan kumain ng almusal in Chinese.
别忘记吃早餐.
Tinapay or bread in Chinese.
面包
For example, gusto mo bang kumain ng tinapay?
你喜欢吃面包吗?
Prutas or fruit in Chinese.
水果
For example, gustong-gusto kong kumain ng prutas in Chinese.
我喜欢吃水果.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.